Hi, my name is Mitch. The road here has definitely been a strange one for me. I planned on coming here about last year at this time. From a small town in rural Minnesota, about an hour and a half northwest of Minneapolis. And kind of the area that it used to be a lot of farmers and not a lot of jobs got hit by the opiate crisis. And that's where I kind of fit in. First started using, then dealing to support a habit, then dealing to make money. And I always was looking for something that I felt that I just feel like I couldn't find. And so I was going to book this last year, and I just started doing other things, and you get caught up with life, and then caught a couple charges, have some time to do when I get back, and I felt like if I was going to stay there, either more of me was going to wash away, or I wasn't going to be myself anymore, or I was contemplating suicide. It was just a monotonous thing, waking up every day, dope sick, puking, trying to find money to support a habit to make myself feel just good enough to get through the day. And I just want something to fix this. I've gone to treatment 3 times, and I've done some outpatient. I've tried different medications, and it's just everything else. It feels like that dirty feeling or something that just isn't the same. It felt like it was working then, but I came here and tried ayahuasca the first time. Yeah, it felt good. Second time, feel a little bit better, and you're learning how to use this medicine, how to use it not like a substance to get rid of pain, how to actually acclimate yourself and go through the pain. And that's something I don't know if the medicine was trying to teach me or if I just took it as a different mindset. It's a clean feeling. And yeah, we started to do Sapo and talk about that, and that's the experience that really opened my eyes. And I've done it 2 more times since, and I just feel, I don't know, a totally different person, reborn. Like I need to feel different. I need to act different. I want to go out and do things. I want to go. I have ambitions that I've never had in this way. I want people to do well in their lives. I want people to feel good, which the only reason I would ever want that is if it benefited me in some way. The people here, it's unbelievable. I mean, I was lucky enough to come when Jose was here, and the experience of the people here and talking you through stuff. And it's like trying to explain somewhere that someone's never been. It's hard to tell them exactly how you feel, but once you experience it and once you feel it, then you just understand. People are like, well, what's Sapo like? I'm like, well, you'll understand after you come back down. Or what's ayahuasca like? Well, tomorrow we'll talk about it. Then you'll understand more. And everybody's seeking different things and wanting this or that. And I went into it with the intentions of I just wanted to not feel like a piece of shit. I wanted to feel good about myself. I wanted to be happy. And they tell you things and treatment in different places like, oh, you deserve to be happy, you deserve to be loved. I'm like, cool. Like that's a great thing to say, but once you experience it, you're like, yeah, I do deserve it. There was times when like I wish I could leave this body behind. And there was an experience where I could have, I felt like, and I wanted to come back to this. I wanted to come back to things I know and people I know, be able to touch them, hug them, talk to them. And that's an eye-opening thing because I mean suicide is final. It's death. I mean you could never come back. But having that feeling and able to come back gives you the gratitude of like I don't want that. Even if I can prolong it just another day, it would be so worth it. Um, where I grew up, people are very Christian, Catholic. They don't really talk about this. I've told a couple people I came here, but most of the people that I thought what I would tell is they would think this is a different way for me to get my rocks off, a different way of me using a substance to make myself feel better. And if you feel that way, I guess, I mean, it's hard to change somebody's beliefs, but it's nothing like anything. And again, you can't explain it until you've been here. And it's just such a clean, pure feeling. You wake up every day happy with your first breath. You wake up every day happy to eat fruit or happy to have your next meal. And I came here not liking anything that was good for me, anything that was green. And I made it through, and you're tired and you're going through a lot of emotions, but everybody here, you just become close and you feel better about who you are than the day you became. Every day is just a little bit better. And I'm going to try and take that home with me, because the way I feel now, I don't ever want to go back to the way that I felt before, because it just seems like a waste of time. I've lost money, I've lost friends, I've lost so many things, and it just seems like dwelling on those things, it's kind of unimportant. You can miss people, but you need to keep going forward. You need to keep gaining these things to, otherwise I'm going to go back to feeling how I felt. And it's such a weird thing to try and explain how great I feel, and I just want other people to experience it. Like, I feel happy. And it's just, I want other people to experience it. If I could, I'd send people here if I had the money. But for what it costs and what you gain, I want treatment times cost you $30,000 for 30 days. It's nothing like that. And I tell anyone that come here, I mean, go on the walks to the salt mine, check out the town, go do everything you can, because you might not be back here for a long time. And those things, like, they stay with you. These people will stay with you even if you never meet them again. I feel close to the people that are here. And I'm really glad that I finally booked this experience, and wish I would have did it a long time ago, but maybe this is the time that I needed it now. And I'm not second guessing anything, and I'm not judging myself for anything. Like, this is where I need to be here and now. And I'm really happy with this decision.